This video will help you to memorize all special triangles just using your left hand. Okay, perfect. So, ladies and gentlemen, in this video here, this is the left hand. Ne? This is the left hand. Okay, perfect. This is just the back of the left hand. So your thumb is 0 and then you keep on adding all the special angles, right? It's important to know this special angle 0, 30, 45, 60, and 90. Right. And then the other important rule we need to know is this. Ne? If I'm going this way, I'm using sine. Ne? So sine moves from the left to the right. And then cos moves from the right to the left. This is the other trick you need to have in this case. Okay, perfect. And then now, without wasting time, let's get straight to it. So let's say we're looking for sine. I'm going to look for everything for sine. Sine 0, sine 30, sine 6, sine 45, I mean, sine 60, and sine 90. Okay, let's see how we're going to work out this. Ne? So for sine 0, we are here, right? We are on 0 here. And then, remember I said on sine, you count to the from left to right. So if I'm on 0, there's no any other way I can go this side, right? So I'll just say, okay, I cannot count anything going to the right. So I'll just say 0. You always say put a square root there. Ne? Square root of 0, the bottom, it's always over 2. So everything will always be over 2. Always over 2. Sure. Here we're going to put square root of something on top. Square root of something always. So the setup is like this. Sure. So 0, square root of 0 is 0 over 2, which is 0. Which means sine 0 is 0, right? Perfect. So we're going to put 0 here for sine 0, right? Awesome. And then we can now do the second one. Sine 30. 30 we here. Okay, let me erase this one because we're done with it. So I'm on 30, I'm here. I can count 1 up until I get to the thumb, you see? So I can count 1 up until I get to the thumb, which means I must do square root of 1. So square root of 1. Square root of 1 is just 1 over 2. So which means sine 30 is 1 over 2. Right. Let's do sine 45. So 45 we here. How many digits do I count? I count 1, 2, right? 1, 2. So I'm going to put root 2 over 2, which means sine 45 will give me root 2 over 2 because that is already simplified. Let's check sine 60. Sine 60 is basically we here. I'm on 60, so I'm going to count 1, 2, 3. So which means it's root 3 over 2. So sine 60 will be square root of 3 over 2. All right. Then let's check sine 90. Sine 90, I'm here. I have to count 1, 2, 3, 4. So for sine 90, I have square root of 4, which gives me square root of 4 will be 2 over the 2 that was there. The answer is 1, which means sine 90 is 1. Right. And then let's do the special angles for cos now. Okay, so now we're going to do for cos. So let's start. Cos 0, you are here, right? 0 is there. So you are going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're going to have square root of 4 over 2. The setup is the same. It's square root divided by 2 always. Then you just simplify from there. Then is square root of 4 is 2 over 2, which gives you 1. So it means cos 0 is 1, ladies and gentlemen. All right. Perfect. Let's now do cos 30. So 30, I'm here. I'm going to count 1, 2, 3. So it means I have square root 3 over 2. So here I'm having square root 3 over 2. That is cos 30, right? And then we need, let me erase these guys so that it looks neater. We're looking for cos 45. So it's 1, 2, right? Cos 45 will be the same as sine 45, which is root 2 over 2. Now let's check cos 60. Cos 60, we are here on 60, so I'm counting only 1. So cos 60 is 1 over root 2, square root of 1 is 1 over 2. So cos 60 is half, right? And then cos 90, I'll be on 90, I cannot go further this side, so it's 0. Square root of 0 is 0 over 2, which gives you 0. So cos 90 is 0, right? Perfect. Before we do tan, I want to show you something here on sec, cosec, and cot. Sharp. Always check the third letter. 1, 2, 3. Okay, here I have C. 1, 2, 3. Here I have S. 1, 2, 3. Here I have T. Which means sec is the inverse of cos. So is the 1 over cos theta, basically. They're asking you to do the opposite of that. Cosec is the inverse of sine. And then cot is the inverse of tan. You need to know that. But the trick is you just check the third letter. It will tell you what reciprocal it is. So basically, sec is the reciprocal of cos, cosec is the reciprocal of sine, cot is the reciprocal of tan. Okay. Sharp. So now I can easily fill in this. Here we're looking at cos. Now we're just reversing everything. 1 over 1 will still be 1. Here, basically, you have 2 over root 3. You see, you just flipping. Here you have 2 over root 2. Right? And then here you have 2. Here you have z undefined, because remember, this is basically 0 over 1. Now you're going to have 1 over 0, which is undefined. See, you're going to have 1 over 0. I mean, yes, 1 over 0 here. Now let's check sine. Cosec 0, it's undefined because you got, remember here you have 0 over 1, you're going to have 1 over 0, which is undefined. And then here you're going to have 2 over 1, which is just 2. You're going to have 2 over square root 2. Right. And then here you are going to have 2 over square root of 3. Here you're going to have 1. All right. And then now we can easily get tan. So we can get the tan now. Okay, so to get the tan, it's easy. You are always going to say, okay, let me just remove this thing, ladies and gents. We're done with the left hand side, left hand. I'm going to remove this. Okay, sharp. To get the tan now, should be easy. You just need to know this identity that tan of theta is the same as sine of theta divided by cos of theta. For example, if I'm looking for tan 0, it's the same as sine 0 divided by cos 0. What is sine 0? Sine 0 is 0. Do you see it? Divided by cos 0 is 1. So you have basically 0 multiplied by 1 over 1, which is 0. So tan 0 will give you 0. Let's do 30. You agree that is going to be half divided. So it's this divided by that. So sine 30 is half So we're looking for tan 30. Sin 30 is half divided by cos 30, which is √3/2, which gives us half multiplied by 2/√3, which is 1/√3. So tan 30 will be 1/√3. Let's check tan 45. Tan 45 will be √2/2 divided by √2/2, which is 1, right? Because we're dividing the exact same thing. Sharp. Then let's see tan 60. Tan 60 will be √3/2 divided by 1/2, which is √3/2 multiplied by 2/1. You tip and times there. This cancels that. Then you have √3. So this will be √3. That will be 1. Let's check tan 90, right? Tan 90, I'll just write it here. Tan 90 degrees will be the same as 1 divided by 0, which is undefined. So tan 90 is undefined. We use the infinity sign to show undefined. Perfect. So now you can do the chord. Obviously, the inverse of 0 is undefined. You're going to have 1/0 now. Here you have √3. You are just inversing the tan, remember. Here you are reciprocating 1. Reciprocal of 1 is 1. Reciprocal of √3 is 1/√3. And then chord of 90. Let's see. Let's see. This one will be that will still be undefined. That will still be undefined. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm sure this makes sense to you, right? Perfect. Wait, this one will be 0, ladies and gents. Sorry about that, because now you basically have cos 90 divided by sin 90. Cos 90 will be, let's see, cos 90 is 0 divided by 1, which is 0. So this will be 0, ladies and gents. Thank you very much for your time. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to help it grow so that it can support other learners as well as it did to you. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Aluta continua. Tango.